how to add downloads to Squarespace website. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to add downloads to Squarespace website. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the Squarespace website on your browser. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Then you also want to go to Elf site. So go to Elf site, create an account and go to applications. Now from applications you want to type in download and here we can select file embed. Here tap on download. Then we can select the file and upload it right here and then it will appear right here. So we can customize the layout, the style. You get the point, just customize this however you want. For now, I'm going to hit save and hit like. And now we are going to copy this code and add it to the website. So what we want to do, go to the website and go to edit. And now we want to go to a place where we want to put it. Then hit code and paste in the code. So now as you can see the script is disabled, so unfortunately it won't show up here. But if you have the paid version of Squarespace, the file opening like this widget that we just had here that we could select will appear here. And people can actually start downloading the files from your website. So that's basically how you can add downloads to Squarespace website. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.